Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing something a little different. I'm going to be doing an unboxing. I am a planner girl. You guys have seen that I carry planners in my bags. But I am a classic happy planner kind of person. That's what I use as my catch-all planner. And I've been going back and forth trying multiple systems for my on the go, and I recently purchased a mini happy planner this summer. I purchased a mini happy planner that was an 18 months on the go mini happy planner, and it's not working for me. It's just too small. I can't really fit a lot in it. I mean, it's great size for a purse, but it's just, I can't fit everything into it. And so, Erin Condren had recently had this friends event where you save 25% and all this and that. And I've had some points because I have used Erin Condren stuff before. I've never done their planners, but I've done like their notebooks and their snap-in accessories. And because before I was a happy planner girl, I loved the recollections, and Erin Condren stuff fit in the recollections. But I use their pens, their dual tip pens, their white erase markers, their like I said, their snap-in dashboards. I have the adhesive pockets, like all these things I've used from Erin Condren over the years, and finally bit the bullet. And I literally, all I did, it just got here, I just got home, and all I did was I peeled my address off for safety reasons, and I sliced this. So I don't know, I am going to be opening this seeing it for the first time along with you guys. So here we go. So Erin Condren boxes are always the best boxes, and I love this color. It's like a salmon color. It says enjoy, and I'm like a little kid on Christmas. I don't care. So I purchased the on-the-go Folio system. Oh, and I've got a little gift with purchase. That's cool. It's a stylized sticky notepad. Oh, cool. So I got that, and then I have 1, 2, 3. I should have 4 books in here. Okay, so we have 3 books here. Wait a minute. I don't know that I got the right thing. No, I did not. Well, okay, I got... lovely. Okay, so here we go. Here. Okay, so the first thing I got was the Folio itself. It is the on-the-go Folio, and it holds 4 books, and let's see, let me move that out of the way here. Sorry for the crinkle noise. Okay. Very nice. Okay, this is a leather like portfolio, but I don't believe it's actual leather. Traveler's Notebook. Erin Condren's on-the-go Folio is their version of the Traveler's Notebook. So you have your 4 bands there. So I was supposed to get, oops. So I got the budget book. I got the meal book. Oh, what the heck? And I was supposed to get a monthly planner. Oh, this is it. The monthly planner. July through December. Okay, I don't know. That doesn't look like the one I ordered. And then I purchased the insert organizer. And then I also have the Petite planner, the glitter sleeve, because like when I'm going to the store, this is actually going to go on my meal planner. So I can just take this whole thing with me, leave this here if I don't need it, and then I just have this, and all I have is the width of one book. So it's smaller. I'm supposed to have another notebook. This isn't the one that I ordered, and I'm also supposed to have the Cherry Blossoms notebook. So I guess I'm gonna have to get in touch with Erin Condren. So that is quite interesting. I really like the way this feels though. This is really nice. And this is the 12-month budget spread. It has savings goal trackers, weekly spending summary, debt tracker, monthly savings and expense spreads, and an illustrative metallic sticker sheet. So let's check that out. And I have to say, this like colorway is stunning. It goes from this lilac purple to this like mauvey blush pink, and I'm loving it. So this is the budget book. You have your savings trackers. You have your monthly overviews. I love how it's all blank, so you can fill in all of your own personal items versus having them put in for you. So it's 12 months. I got a spending summary, monthly overview. That's fantastic. And then you have 12 months of those. Let's see what we got in the back here. You have debt trackers in the back. So you have 1, 2, 3. Let's see that again. 1, 2, 3, 4 pages of that. And then you get these adorable stickers. So cute. So cute. Loving that. Okay. And this is going to pop right in here. And then we have the Petite Planner Meal Planner. And this includes 28 weekly planning spreads, dinner party planning spreads, shopping lists, and meal prep strategy boxes, and illustrative platinum metallic sticker sheets. We have the meal planner. You have your first page here is your title page, and then you have your breakfast, lunch, and dinner for the whole week. You have your shopping list. You have your meal prep strategy, and you have that for 28 weeks. You have a little pocket in the back with your fun little, oh, these are super cute. Super, super cute. I don't know. They're just so cute. You have your dinner party meal plans, 28 weeks of this. So that's like half the year. And then you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the dinner party meal plans. 6 of them. Oh, a price tracker. Okay. And a recipe log. Nice. Oh, and we have a conversion chart. Oh, that's cool. Okay, that's pretty neat. I like that. And like I said, this one's gonna go in the glitter sleeve so that I can take this with me. And this one, I'm gonna have to double check. I don't think I ordered this. I really don't think that I ordered this. I ordered the customizable one. So I don't want to open this one yet. But then, okay, then I have the organizer insert here. And on one side, you have 3 small pockets. You have a medium pocket, and then you have a large flap on the back. I'm really excited about this, you guys. Super excited about this. So it goes like this in your notebook. And then this is the glitter. Let me take this out. Look how pretty. Oh my God. I don't know if this is picking it up, but it is so shimmery. And the EC on it is holographic. So that is my jam. So let's see. This one right here is gonna go in this. So let's see if we can get it in here together. If I put it on the right side, that'd be great. Yes, yes, yes. Yes. Okay, I'm gonna take these out because I'm not gonna put those in there with that. Come on. Yes, ma'am. I am loving this. Check it out. It has the glitter. So pretty. I am here for this. Yes, 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 yes. And you can slide like your recipes. So like I have a recipe box and I literally handwrite or print out my recipes and I put them on, oh, I caught it, okay. And I put them on index cards, like actual recipe cards. But anyways, I like that I can just slide these in here, like when I'm going to the store. So like I can have all my ingredients in here at one time. And also in the back with these recipe logs, like the frequent ones, I can write in here and always have that on, like on me when I go to the store, so that I know this is exactly what I need to make this. This is one of my go-to meals, one of my safe meals. I love this. I could not be more happy about this. This makes me so happy. Yay. So anyways, this is my little Erin Condren haul. I've got the Folio here. I have the notebooks. I'm missing one and got the wrong one. My little glitter thing, my glitter case, and then my folio insert, and then I got a freebie. So yeah, if you guys want to see me do a flip through of how I set this up and how everything comes out, let me know in the comments below, and I will be so glad to do that for you. Like I said, this is not anything that I typically do, but I wanted to share this with you because I was super excited about it, and B, this is going to be in my purse all the time. So you might as well know what's in it. So thank you guys so much for watching. If you like this kind of content, give me a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and hit that notification bell to get all of my notifications for when I upload new videos. See you guys later. Bye.